What is up, you guys? Dropping in very briefly to talk about a high conviction trade currently on a little ticker called Uber. Now, this trade is not going to be short term. This is not something I'm looking at for like the next day or so. I'm looking at this probably till March or April. So a bigger time frame, a much more higher conviction swing trade. And I want to go over all of this together with you guys. So if you haven't already, before we get into it, hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, hit the notification bell because all these videos are time sensitive. As well, go check out our Discord. The link is in the description. It is 100% free. You get access to live streams with me and the team every single Sunday. You also get access to our free courses. We have 3 of them out right now. And on top of that, you get access to one of the best unusual options activity, seasonality activity, and dark pool activity bots out there. No other Discord is giving this away for free except for us. So go check it out, guys. Thanks for all your support. Now, what I do every single time I call out a trade to my private mentorship group or to the premium role people inside of our Discord, I always go ahead and I give them a charting, basically a little checklist now that we've really started to put in the past couple of weeks as to what I think the quality of a potential trade is. So what I wanted to do was actually go through, show you this, go over the checklist together so that you guys can use this for your trading, and then kind of show you guys the position that we're talking about here. So I want to go through and talk about this. I posted this on the 30th, so that was on Tuesday. We're going to go over, what I exactly posted to them, and then we're going to go over what this trade quality checklist is. So the ticker is Uber. Now, thesis: Uber has been taking a beating recently as well with the entire market, but big money just keeps buying on these dips, and they came in big again today. Still have my shares, but may open some spreads tomorrow or just average down on the shares that I currently have. However, if you are not already in this, I would highly recommend it. Please remember this is a longer term swing outlook until March, so please remember when getting options to put that into effect. So I started buying this thing when we were trading like up around 42, 43. It took a massive hit. I averaged down again around 38, and I still have a not good average, to be quite honest. But still looking very, very good, and I will probably add on some more. So price target I said was $48. First price target here, you can see this is where my dotted line alert is. Second price target is $60, which would be the top of this massive bull flag here on the weekly chart. And the stop loss would be right around $30, which would be a break of the 618 Fibonacci level. You can see here I said trade quality, score 10 of 11, very high conviction. Now, what does that mean? Trade quality checklist, and we're going to go over this. Number 1, is the stock trading with the trend? Yes, the trend is up. We are trading with the trend. 2, current breakout momentum. No, there is no current breakout momentum. We have not yet broken out. That would be if we got up to 48, 49. Next one, reversal of a fresh trend. Yes, it looks like we're reversing this smaller downtrend for a fresh trend back up to all-time highs. 4, major support or resistance. Yes, this is a very, very strong support right here at $38. Next one, recognizable chart pattern. Yes, bull flag pattern right here. Now, let me see. Moving average bullish. Yes, the 200 is bullish. Strong Fibonacci level. Yes, the Fibonacci is at the 0.50 or the 50% pullback, which is the strongest Fibonacci level we have, next to the 61% Fibonacci level, which is right below it. So very strong Fibonacci level there. Divergence occurring. Yes, it is. You can see here that as we have made a lower low here on the weekly chart, we've actually made a higher low here on the RSI. Next one, confluence. So let's explain this first because some people might not understand this. And what I want this channel to be for is more explaining how I actually take the trades and look at the trades. What is confluence? So there's different people out there who trade different things. There are people who are just bull flag traders, pattern traders. There are people who trade off of divergences mainly. There are people who trade off of major trends. There are people who trade off of Fibonacci's. There are people who just trade off of major support levels. If you are one of those traders, this is a trade for you. So when you have high confluence, it means many different schools of thoughts are watching this level very closely and are going to step in. And we've seen that. If you're a trend trader, you can see that we're bouncing on this major trend. If you're a fib trader, we're right on this Fibonacci level. If you're a divergence trader, we're right in this divergence level. If you're a bull flag or a pennant trader, I should say a bull flag trader, but if you're a bull flag or candlestick trader, then we're looking very good here. Across all these schools of thought, we have high amounts of confluence, which just means that it's a point that many people will be watching. 10, set up on a bigger time frame. Yes, weekly. Unusual flow. Yes, they've been buying the living shit out of this for March for a couple of months now. So that would give it a score 10 out of 11, which is near perfect. The only thing we don't have is current momentum breakout, but that's because we're timing the bottom on a trend. So overall, meets all of our criteria. This is a very high quality trade. And even if you were to take a position and it drops down to 30 and you stop out, to me, it's still worth a position. Now, I currently have shares. I didn't grab any more options or anything, but I might sell some cash secured puts on. Actually, I do think I did sell cash secured puts on it. Now I think about it. I actually did. I sold some December 10th, $35 puts as well. So worst comes to worst, I'll get stuck with like $8,000 worth of puts if it doesn't close above 35, but I feel very, very good about it. So I wanted to share this with you. I wanted to share this trade with you. Hopefully you guys can make some money off of this, and let's see this thing run in the next couple of months. Peace.